Okay.
Computer. Okay, recording started. I'm opening the quiz.
Okay.
Second, download the code.
Okay.
First question. Here's a basic UML of how the color styles relate. So, item is an abstract class.
Okay, so we need to make a UML diagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Description class. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. This one's pretty easy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the. Actually, I'm gonna make a new lab, or no, I'll just open the lab document and then delete whatever we had.
All right.
Or okay, but yeah, I'm opening the lab document.
All right.
Are we gonna need it? Yeah, I'm just deleting everything.
Okay.
Okay. So I think the UML diagram works like this. Where is it? How do you start adding? Okay, it's a table. No, not table. It's in Prime.
Insert it. Yeah. We insert like the square thing. Then. Oh, yeah. Oh, actually, I think that's it.
Yeah, I think you can just start. Just add some text boxes. Or is it text box? Yeah, there we go. I think the main one seems to be item.
Yeah.
Or oh no, actually no, it's not text boxes. I need another or oh okay. Let's draw shape and then draw shape. That's
What if I do this?
or actually I got it. Or okay,
You
no,
got
you got it.
Okay.
You can do yeah, that's fine too. That's fine
Alright.
too.
Yeah. Item.
Item and then item. The next two are block
Okay.
and then character. And then make another box that says character. And then both of them are pointing towards item.
Okay.
Because yeah, block and character inherits item.
Okay.
Or subclasses of item.
Alright. Oh, yeah, arrow. Okay. All right, does that look good?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
Afterwards, the subclass of character is villain.
Okay.
And character has a subclass called villain. And I don't think there's any. And there's another class called location. That one's completely separate. And then we just pass in location to item. The item holds location in the way the code's written. So it's
Right.
like, so one of the attributes of item is location. So I think in the box, you can just like do protected attribute class location, maybe.
Okay. So,
Just instead of the text box, probably just do protected. Or just put it inside of the box with item, I think. Because it's part of item, so we can just like the regular UML diagram from C, we can just like make it a part of item itself.
okay.
Do we need to add all the other attributes to the rest of the classes too then?
What's that?
Should we add the rest of the attributes to the other classes? Because I mean, we needed to add one attribute
To which one?
to it. Like to the other classes, since like we had to add protected location to item, should we like write down the other attributes too for the other classes?
Yeah, I think so for a diagram. Yeah, probably.
Okay, then for hero, or wait, where's our hero? We had a villain. Did I not say hero? Okay, so no, I'm sorry. Character has another one. Character has one more that's called hero.
Okay.
Then
All right, one second. Okay, yeah.
okay. So hero has one attribute, it's an int. So just like you did before, just write int armor.
All right.
Yeah. For villain has a boolean nocturnal. Yeah, nocturnal. Then character has int hearts. Hearts, Hearts. HE.
HE. Oh, hard. Okay.
Heart, yeah. And then another one, an object called carrying.
Okay. Object called what?
Carrying. CARRYING.
All right.
Okay, then afterwards for block, block has an int density.
Int what?
Density. And for item has one more. Item has a string name. And instead of doing protected, just do location. Then it's gonna be, yeah, location. I think that's good for part one.
So for this one, okay.
So after,
all right. Is that
what
it?
are you saying?
No, no.
Yeah, I
no.
think so. That's it. Yeah, that's it. I think this one's fine. Okay, then question 2, which has more hearts, creepers or Bowen? So creepers, what's a Bowen?
Mhm.
Rough played Minecraft. What the fuck is a Bowen?
Bowen.
Bowen does
Yeah.
Bowen or Minecraft or creepers have more hearts. Creepers have more hearts. Yeah, no, what's a Bowen?
Can you spell it?
Bowen. Like, go to question 1. No. Scroll up. There's other parts to question 1.
Bowen.
Yeah, Bowen. What's a Bowen? I looked it up. Nothing comes up.
Bowen Island. Okay. Well, whatever. Who cares? We can
Yeah,
just.
we can come back to it. Okay, how many items can villain carry? Let's see that. How many items can villain carry? Carrying a new string. String carrying, maybe in the driver. Does it say in the driver? Okay, yeah, I think it's 1. I think it only, or how many items, right? At one time, I think it can only carry 1.
So wait, location is. Wait, hold up. That's a new location. Wait, what's the villain thing? Okay, string name, string carrying. So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4th.
So you can just write in the type of thing it's carrying, but it's only carrying 1 thing at a time.
Yeah. So how many items can a villain carry? Yeah, so just 1 item then.
Yeah, I'll just write down 1 item at a time.
Okay, sweet. Zip file containing. Okay.
There's one example of polymorphism in the code. Find that and write it. I mean, if there's going to be polymorphism, it's most probably. Let's start looking from the item, maybe. Or is it item? No, it's not an item. Item doesn't have any
Yeah, also,
polymorphism. Maybe in the driver.
wait, also, what was the second question? Who has more hearts?
Wait, I didn't get you. What did you say?
Who has more hearts?
Villain. The creeper has more hearts. Creeper,
Okay.
yeah, creeper has 6. Yeah. I just realized it's the way he named it. That's dumb.
Yeah. Bowen is apparently
And
a
then
hero.
4. Yeah, Bowen is apparently the hero. Like, out of all the names, it's
No
just
idea.
Bowen.
Mhm.
Who that is? Okay, so the other one is Arraylist character battle royale new Arraylist. I think line 23 to 26 is polymorphism, right?
Let's see. 23, 26. Test villain, test hero. Yeah, that should be
Because we're adding
both of those are
yeah
receiving attribute. Yeah.
character types, yeah. So I
Yeah.
think we can just copy this 3 lines and that should be fine.
Okay.
Oh, that's fancy copying. Okay. And then afterwards, what comes next? There's like 2 more problems here. So 5. When an instance is printed, the name is first. or furthest left when an instance is printed. Okay, so we got to change the toString, right? For
Yes.
5.
Yeah.
So instance is printed.
Printing the mother of all battles, so we should go to our
The mother of all battles. Battle Royale. What's character? So is it in character? No, it's not character. I think it's the items toString.
Yeah, it has to be. So I think when it's the name is first. Or further left.
Isn't
Okay.
it already first? Yeah, name is already first though.
I think they're
Oh
talking
no,
here. Yeah.
he's talking with the hero. Yeah. You're right. You got it?
Yeah.
You can change that. Which character can have armor? Let me just take that in driver. Okay. The hero can have armor. Okay, so the last one is the hero can have armor. Hero can have armor. Okay. After you copy that in, we can just move to the next question.
All right.
I think you need a space or a comma. Before armor, put a comma.
Before where is? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Armor, yeah. I think that's fine.
All right. Let's copy that. Oh, I can see how different it is to villain.
It's true. Parameter each area just contains either all zeros or into character. Returns true the area contains all zeros.
So I just needed for okay, item already has name, hero, everything else is good.
Wait, hero has I added it. Hero has more hearts.
Wait, what?
Oh, never mind. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Which character can have armor, hero? Edit the codes on the instance printed.
Yeah, we edited it. It's fine.
Alright.
I think we can move on to the next one.
All right. I think let's just also just import it as we go along. I'm gonna just zip it up too.
Okay. Since you're coding, then I think you should just keep on submitting. But how would you import? Are we gonna make a zip file again? You wanna submit multiple zip files?
Yeah. Zip file for each.
Okay.
Because otherwise we kind of get screwed over, so it's might as well.
Okay. Also looking into the next one using the code.
Let me save this as a PDF.
Just click on download. Yeah.
Yeah, I can just save that as a PDF.
Yeah.
Question 2, using the code, except any item placed in a sense of block of copper can't violate quickly leaking a static function out of the list items. Hope only item that can game one create game mechanics. We had to do a barrel tester that has an array list.
Okay, we need to use wildcard for this. So
So public class barrel tester. Is that what it is? Static function. Oh my god. Public static. We need an array list. Arrays.
how do we add wildcard?
Mm,
Wildcard.
Actually, it should probably be super.
Oh, character, yeah.
Characters. How's this going?
I think you need to import collections. Do you not?
Oh, input collections. Yeah.
Or actually, it's working.
Collection. I think maybe we might need this like after.
Might not need it. Yeah, it's fine for now.
Yeah. It's whatever. And then wait, does this need to? What's this return type? Oh, Boolean.
We'll just have to loop through all of them and then do instance of, right?
Huh?
We'll just have to loop through all of it and then check instance of.
Yeah, exactly. So we could do like for character characters.
What's the question mark? Oh, the type. You need to declare the type.
Yeah. Or well, actually, here's one. There's two ways. Must use wildcards. Can use instance.
No, I don't think.
What?
Never mind. Never mind. Just do object. Do object character instead. Try that.
Yeah. But it says we have to use.
But yeah, no. But we kind of used question mark, right? But because I don't think we can use question mark as a type when we're looping through it.
Oh, right. Okay. You know what? Wait, that's like an easier way to do this then. I thought we had to use wildcard. Then we can just do like, just loop through it. Then 1.0.
I mean, just extending it, I think, is enough. But yeah.
Right. And I plus character equals my if so if character instance of character.
Wait, actually, you might still need to use. You might still have to
I'm not
use
using
object.
Wait, really? Why?
I don't know, like you have red squigglies, that's what I was saying.
Instance of wait, was it checking? These are it's all humans. Okay. This instance of
Yeah, just the same.
um,
What are you getting red squiggly for? Type mismatch character to oh.
wait, hold up. Characters. Character equal character to get on. Why am I doing it?
Why don't you, instead of even doing this, why don't you just do characters that get I inside of the if statement?
Okay, there we go.
And Rizzo, I'm having a hard time hearing you. Your voice is like really muffled.
Yeah, it's my laptop mic. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it.
Okay, that's fine.
Is that it? Should be it, right?
I think so. Yeah. We can figure it out later.
It looks fine, I guess.
Maybe just import it in the driver file and then try to run it from there.
Yeah.
And then just add the 2 items in that array list. Or yeah, just use it on Battle Royale, see if it works.
Yeah. System. And
I think you need to import game mechanics.
yeah, looks. Then I do plan. Battle test.
Actually, might yeah, that might just work.
Status.
Can you just import the whole class like this, or do you need to like make an object out of the class to be able to call it?
I think we can just import it.
Did you misspell it? What if you misspelled it? This is undefined. Maybe you misspelled it.
Well, probably, to be honest. Battle testing.
No. Seems to be right.
Is undefined for game mechanics. Arrayless character.
Did you save? Do you have to save the file?
Oh, wow, that was it. Okay. Alright. Save that too. Okay, it says false.
False. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we move.
Should we add a
Okay.
hero, or should we just let's just comment this out and see if that works. Let's see if that is true. All right, good.
True. Yeah. Perfect.
Works. Okay. Cool. And
Parts
then
are basically energy level points.
try
The
adding
higher, the better occurrence.
Trying
Going
to
here
find
at
arrays
hard
with
part.
blocks.
Oh wait, there's more? Oh, never
Yeah.
mind. There's
We need to try and add an array list of like blocks. So array
oh
list. Do we have an array list of blocks? I don't think we do. Okay, array list. Um,
you gotta create some blocks.
okay. Yeah. So let's just copy this over.
Yeah, I'll try the next one. It's a basically.
So blocks add
Basic win chances. That will look at only villains and heroes, or heroes and villains parameters. Compare hearts and look at the ratio and who would win. Okay, sorry. Hearts
Alright,
is
so
engine.
we can, okay, this is throwing a compiler error, so we're good, I think.
What do you say?
It's throwing a compiler error, so we're good. Yeah.
I
alright.
can't understand you. Your voice is too muffled. Why? Oh, okay. Is it supposed to? I thought it's still supposed to test it out. I'm thinking it's supposed to throw an error. It should? Oh, cause it's not supposed to. It's not. Yeah, block is not a character. We got the wild card. Yeah, got it. Okay, that's good. Maybe. Do you wanna? Does it ask for screenshots? Add an array list of blocks. Okay, no, it didn't ask for screenshots. It's fine. Yeah, you can just submit the files if you want to. I think the next one's too bad. Okay, basic win chances. I would look at zone to heroes. Compare hearts and who would win. Your code should alter this to a simple error statement if parameters are the same. Test not only your code works, but it protects the blocks from being compared. Mechanic close. Stack calculations and chances by the Wait, Rigel, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we, for this one, should we make another array list that only has villains, the villains and heroes object to make our lives easier? Or actually,
So look at only villains and heroes. So if it needs to only look at villains and heroes, that would just be characters. Character based.
oh, okay, yeah, we can just check it using characters.
So that'd be the same thing basically. So I'll just copy this over. Can you tell me the name of the thing again?
It's basic capital W. Yeah, capital W, IN, and then capital C, chances. The rest is just lowercase.
C
Basic
what?
win chances. Yeah, CHAN. Yeah, chances. And can you change the B from basic to lowercase?
Oh, okay.
I think I'm just nitpicking. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
So this. So yeah, I think you just create a character object.
Okay.
Or no, wait. Actually, go back to the code. I think there's a problem. We can't. I think in this case, what he's saying is we should use the wildcard to extend everything. Like we can have everything inside of our thing, but if it isn't if it isn't a character, then we just don't check it. Isn't that what it's asking? But again, protect from blocks being, yeah, it says, because it's at the last line, it says protect from blocks being compared. But again, protect from blocks.
So we need to throw like
Yeah.
a exception or something. If okay.
See,
Yeah,
that's what I don't understand. So is it telling us to just, like, do we need to throw an error if there's a block, or should we just not consider blocks be, oh, okay, so we're throwing an error if there is a different type inside of the thing, or are we just ignoring it? That's what I'm not understanding.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it's saying protects from blocks being compared. The output need to be easy to.
Okay, your code should also display a simple error statement if both parameters are the same. How can both parameters be the same?
Oh, because if we pass in 2 creepers, for example, so it can only be a creeper
Okay,
versus
create
a
a new
hero.
static.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we're,
Yeah, no,
we only have, we only have 2 objects. So I was thinking, oh, there could be more than 2 objects, and we just like add up everything. Okay, no,
yeah,
then you're right.
Yeah, we're just doing like a comparison of two characters and their win
2
chance.
characters, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hero
you're
and
right.
villain, basically.
If any of them is not a villain or hero, then you can just throw an error, I think.
Right. So we can.
And if they're the same, we throw an error too.
Yeah. So it can just be like if C1
object 1, yeah, C2 are the same. Well, no. Or okay, yeah, I think for our case it's fine. Yeah, okay, keep going. That's fine.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. How do you throw an exception? Which exception do we need? Or we can just be like,
what exception?
You can just be like.
Yeah, just write some pseudocode. System.out.print error.
Oh, or we can do
name.
Right.
You don't need a try because you already have the if statement. Just throw.
Okay. Let's throw that. So throw the element exception.
Let me see how to throw.
And then.
Okay, yeah, cool.
What else do we need?
We need to check if it's not a character. Oh, okay. So do you plan on checking it outside?
We just can't. I mean, we cannot pass because we have 2 character objects, right? So we'll throw a compile time exception if we try to plot.
Yeah, but that's not what the question is asking. Or is it asking that?
Well, I mean, this is
okay. Yeah, I think it's fine. Right? It's fine.
It already is
this section
like
works.
inherently. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can just make it easy. Okay, then the rest of it is just what? Okay, no, if we check if both of them are equal, if they're not equal, then oh yeah, then you can just like find the ratio out.
Yeah.
E1 dot hearts, I think. Yeah. Oh wait. No, you need to check what the character type is, because just from the ratio we can't figure out if the hero is gonna win or the creeper is gonna win. We need to check what type of character they are to know who the ratio is in favor of. So I think make an if statement See, because
Okay.
the creeper has more hearts, now the creeper wins. So I think one if statement is fine. In the if statement, check if C1 is, or actually, should we do
We can
one
just
if
get the
statement
name
or
of the
two if
winner
statement?
though, right? I mean,
No, but we can't. The name of the winner won't work because like we don't have an infinite database of like all the possible names of the hero. We gotta check the instance of it. A player
no, but
can name anything a hero, and then if the name doesn't match, then it doesn't work. It's not a general solution. No,
okay,
just do this. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just actually do it like you were doing it. Just calculate the ratio.
wait, what type is what type is the heart?
What?
Oh,
It's an
okay.
int.
Okay, that's fine then. C1
You might want to typecast it. Does Java values get truncated?
possibly. What is-
Okay, actually, no, it's fine. You don't
It's
need to
a
truncate it.
double, so I
If
think
it's
it should store it. Yeah.
okay, okay. Now, I think now what we have to do is check if it's if it's greater than or less than 0. If it's uh less than 0, then
Yeah.
C2, whatever is C2, their type is gonna win, I think. Oh, I guess no, you got a point too. You could just shoot out the name.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so ratio would be
You are
1
right.
to 2. Whichever has the higher number. So this would be this one number 2. If ratio less than 1, then object 2 should be the winner.
Yeah, C2's name. I think
Yeah.
yeah, the name is fine. I was tripping.
What is this right here? Oh, okay. How do I make this bigger?
Huh?
How do I make all of these bigger? Oh, God. Damn it. I do not know how to use it.
Wait, no, this doesn't work, Ridgel.
Yeah.
It
I mean, if it's less, look, I mean, if it's
no, it works. It works. I thought I thought this one also said that it needs to array list as a parameter. Never mind. Never mind. Sorry. You need to change your ratio too. It has C1 and C1.
oh, okay. C2. Yes. C1 level. Do we need to print anything else?
You need to show this.
Ratio. Okay. Um,
That seems good.
okay.
You should add a couple more sentences to it. Be like problem 2 test, problem 3 test. Because he said that where's it?
Wait, we're talking about?
Just make the code the output a bit more readable, because that's what he said. Like output is easy to read. Or actually no, yeah, this is fine. It's fine.
This is good, right? Yeah. Okay. Test. Very well. And method. 10 times
Look for the argument.
Oh,
Do we have a print statement in there?
and this should probably be a double. Yeah, I mean, this can be a void because it is printing out.
Void should work, yeah. Oh no. If it's void, it's fine. Just don't print it. Just don't do system.out.print. Just call the function. In driver,
Yeah.
just go back to driver. Just don't do system.out.println and just call the function.
Yeah. Right. All right.
Yeah, that should work. So go in.
Okay. Winner battle creeper and ratio is 1. Is that right?
If it's 1, then it got truncated. So you need to change the types inside. But yeah, I think let me see. Yeah, creeper is supposed to win, but the ratio is messed up. So
Ratio is messed up. Okay.
so I think in front of C1.getHeart, turn that into a double 2. Just typecast it. In ratio, 27. Just typecast it to a double. That should be fine, I think.
One point two.
Yeah.
And
maybe add another test case with no. Don't change it. Don't change it. Keep both of them. Add another test case. With a block. Oh wait, no. You'd have to change it because it's gonna crash. It is gonna crash.
Yeah, if I do a.
Should we do a crash? I think instead of doing a crash, can't you just add another if statement, and then if object doesn't equal to object 1 doesn't equal to character, object 2 doesn't equal to character, just print out something else? Won't that be nicer?
Well, are you talking about here?
Like instead of passing, here. Like instead of passing characters, just pass to object types. And then if the instance of character C1 and C2 doesn't equal to character, just print something and then make the thing stop.
Instance.
And wait, for afterwards, maybe just do that and then you have to put else's too. So because if both of them still have the same name, it's still gonna calculate the ratio. Yeah, put an else there, and then inside of it put an and after the second one, after the second if, after this put an else. You have to put an else too. And maybe if when we come to else, just typecast the object to a character. I think that's gonna fix it.
Right. Wait, what?
Do you not need to get the names as, oh, well, I guess not. Do you not need to get the names as functions?
Names of functions? What do you mean?
Yeah, this one can, or actually, no, that's not the problem. Okay,
Wait,
oh yeah, this one.
bring up
Yeah, I think you need to call get name instead of d dot name, c1 dot name. Yeah, do get name. Let's get class.
that just gets the character class.
Okay. And then you just gotta fix it later. Armor can't be.
That's not right. Wait, where's that? Wait, hold on. Is that supposed to be a type of item?
Wait, why is it item? Just click on the red squiggles and then just use whatever solution. Yeah, just do that. Oh,
Is
it
it
automatically
item
gives you
though?
item?
I don't think it's an item. Yeah, let me just do it. Let me just do this. Should just be. No, it's not an item.
Maybe just doing get character would solve it too. Because when you're using get class, does it know which class to get?
Yes, it does. It knows what class it is.
Okay, yeah, just do get class then.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Let's at least let's hope so. Yeah.
Try it out then, maybe.
Yeah. Let's just test with two blocks. So test block. And then
Yeah.
block 2.
0.
And then can run it. Cannot be a type block.
Cannot be a type block. Why?
Well, it can't be a type block.
Okay. 8 through. Yeah, 8 through is fine.
And then test 0.
0, test 0.
Test 0. God. Let me just change this a bit. 30.
Okay, while we try that one, let's do the next one.
Whatever. First, I can just still working
Wonder different occurrence.
villain and ratio 0.8. Wait, is this the correct? Oh, I think it should be actually, because if it was test. Yeah, okay, no, I'm pretty sure I changed this. Was the other way around last.
Other characters, so that's
Okay. Oh, this is cool. Wait, okay, yeah. That's wait, but it's not getting the name though. It's not getting the name of the villain.
Wait, what do you mean?
Oh, that's why.
Like, it's not printing the name?
It's getting the name of the class. Can I get instance or something? Get
I think get instance would help.
You
can try it out.
I don't even know there's a get instance method. How do I get the instance? Oh boy.
What happened? And keep this because I think we're gonna need it for the next one, like doing it like this. Now it's right?
So why, it should be bull, it should be creeper that wins though. What?
You creeper?
Cause last time
maybe-
I played creeper. Wait, what?
Oh, no, it's both C1 and
Let's
C2.
switch it. Oh, I think it's. Oh yeah, my bad. I switched it around. Oops. Okay,
Mm.
that's what. it was.
Okay, so that solves that.
And then do we need to make more examples? Okay, and what else do we need to check if it's the same?
I think we put most examples. Like it said several examples, and then one that restricts blocks. So we showed block restriction and this. So I think that's fine.
Yeah. Let me change this though.
Afterwards, copy this class, and then just we'll have to change the name. The next one's pretty similar to this one too.
Alright. Vector. Okay, this one. C1 dot get name equals C2. Dot get name. C2. I think that's good. Perfect. And then game mechanics test. So we can have two people with the same name, so like test 0 and then test 0 2.
What are you printing now instead of throwing?
No, it's still throwing.
Okay.
So might have same name, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. You wanna go to the next one?
Or like what?
Huh?
Do we need more examples or is this fine?
I don't think so. I think it's fine.
Okay, what were the three conditions? And okay, last one was the block one. Adding two blocks. All right, sweet. So then, this was question 3, right? Okay, good. Can I have the send that to zip file? Rational function based on armor or armor apparently can be only used by a hero. Evens the playing field. Well, not defined well with the code. Okay.
I think this one's really simple. Just the other one copied, except for like you just check if they have armor, or if it's a hero class, and then if it has armor. If so, you just add the number of hearts to it.
All right.
That heart.
So should we just pass in hero objects then?
No, they told us not to do it. I think
Oh, really?
it said that if you have been only passing in characters like such as, or no, villains, and if you're only passing in villains and heroes, it doesn't work because there can be other types too, like what's it called, villagers.
Into other characters. Okay.
We didn't define it, but like he's saying, like, see, there are other characters such as villagers.
What's that you if you did it right? Okay, so that's okay.
Yeah, that's what. So it's fine. It's everything's fine. All we have to do is basic win chances, advanced win chances.
Okay, so we just need to just need to factor in the armor. So okay.
Yeah,
So
I think you have your throws afterwards.
all right, so int armor would be,
Just do.
so if,
I think you have to take the instance of it. You have to take the instance
Yeah,
of which
yeah.
object has the armor.
yeah. If C1 instance of hero and armor equals C1 don't get armor. If C2 instance of hero and or should I be
Now, no, now just set the number of, change the heart using the set heart function inside of the if statement, then everything else should be the same. Because we're just changing the number of hearts. So what does it say? The value of a hero can have 0 to 100 armor. At 100, the current heart is multiplied by 1.5. So this is the weird part. So it says if your armor is at 100%, you multiply the heart by 1.5. So should we just use that as the constant base for any armor less than 115?
Huh?
Sorry, sir, I confused you. So like if your armor is at 100%, you increase the number of hearts by 1.5. So your armor just ends up increasing the number of hearts you have.
Okay, so if,
but the problem is, what if we don't have 100% armor? So do we, that's what I don't understand. Do we need to consider those cases? Like, do we treat 0 to 100 as a slider
well,
where
okay,
like
so,
every point?
so the only time it has 100%, like we have to multiply by 1.5 is has 100% armor, right? That's the only time.
That's what, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So, but like, my question is like, what if I have 50% armor? Do I just not add anything?
Yeah, so it should just not be
doesn't-
anything. It should just be 50.
Okay, that's so weird.
Yeah, I think only if we have 100 doesn't multiply. Yeah. So if armor, then
If that's the case, then yeah, you're done. C2 dot get or set.
oh yeah, there's C2 set armor or what the fuck?
Or set heart.
Get hearts is equal to
And then 15.
uh,
Or no, it's not even 15. No, it's not 15. Do check the set heart. Actually, let's change the set heart. I think for our case, if we add the number of hearts we have to add, it's gonna be easier. So, because
okay.
like if we add 5 hearts,
Yeah,
5 hearts, I think if
right. So
we
okay.
have max, yeah.
Hearts equals C2 dot get hearts. And then we can do,
Oh wait, no. Wait, actually come back to the document.
okay,
Look at example 3. We might not even have to consider that because look, example 3, he has 3 hearts and then 100% armor.
yeah.
Enderman still 1 with 2 to 1 ratio.
3 times 1.5 would just be 4.5. 2 to 1 ratio. That's weird.
So that means it didn't get added, right? Nothing to the armor got added because he's not at max hearts.
Wait, what? 2
Like, this is so confusing. While not defined well with the code, this evens the playing field. While not defined well with the code, a hero can have 4 armor. Here you can have 4 armor 0 to 100. At 100%, the current hearts is multiplied by 1 point. Oh, no. So let's just do this. Instead of doing that, we just multiply. If hearts equal to 100, we just multiply the number of hearts with 1.5. So that's what happens. I got it. So I think 3 point, or actually, yeah, 3. Yeah, just multiply it with 1.5.
Alright, so
That would still make the Enderman one. So I think in set heart, yeah, do that and then add it to. No, you'll have to make another. You'll need to make another variable, or yeah, set heart. And now do this plus whatever you did here plus get heart.
wait, what?
So you see here, like hero c2 dot get heart times 1.5. That's gonna give you. Oh, never mind. No, it's fine. You're right. That's it.
Yeah, no, it's.
Is it set heart? I think it's not set heart. There should be an S at the end.
Set.
Or does it not even have a set heart?
Oh, set armor. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, it doesn't even have a set heart. So the current
Yeah,
heart.
then just make a set heart.
Okay, yeah.
Just make it's gonna be easier.
Yeah. Set heart. And heart.
Yeah.
This. Heart.
You might need to do super dot heart. I think you need to do super dot heart. Or
I don't think so, because that's how they're setting armor too.
because they have armor in this class. They don't have a heart in this class. Because armor is the extra part for the hero. So I think you need to do super.
Okay. Gotcha. Super dot hearts. Okay. Yeah.
And then let me just set the last one. So an entire array with full of characters will be collected. That. Wait, Rizzo, I'll be back 1 sec.
All right.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah,
I think we
sorry.
just closed it on that. So
What happened?
No, I was just looking at how to be
Oh.
set hearts. Oh, it's not letting me do that.
Do you need to? No, I don't think you need to do super either.
Set hearts in the type characters and have playable arguments double.
Maybe then comment out the one we made.
Yeah, I don't think we need this.
Yeah, comment out. Yeah.
What is it saying? Set heart. What if I do this? Oh, okay, that makes it
Because I think are we passing in an integer? Maybe because of that. It needs a double.
The I think it should be an int, so
No.
if I just cast this to a
No, no, it's supposed to be I think it's gonna be an integer. It should be, or is it an integer?
I think it probably is integer because I mean this is a 2-to-1 ratio right here, right? I think I need to cast it to
I mean,
3.
if we're supposed to get a 2-to-1, yeah, it's supposed to be 3. That's a double. I mean, yeah, just cast it maybe. I don't think it's that serious.
Yeah. How do I cast?
Maybe cast it and then just save it. Maybe that might fix it. Because the next one's hard. The next one. Okay. Actually, you try to fix this one. Let me look for the next one. An entire array list full of characters will be collected. The collection of characters will be sorted from strongest to weakest. Strongest to weakest is a static function within game mechanics called sorted battlefield characters, and let's consider the armor as well.
Let's go.
Just this in the heart.
Oh, am I supposed to do?
Okay, afterwards, I think. If it doesn't work, Ridgel, maybe just instead of making it messy, just get the hearts first, and then just straight up put it into set hearts.
Yeah.
Just see if you can actually just see if you can put anything into set hearts, or if it's just a set hearts problem, we're not using it right. That could be a possibility.
It's just not liking the flow.
1.5.
Yeah.
Then do double 1 point or int, or oh no, we can't do. Yeah, just.
Or
Did you
should I
change
cast
the
this
type for set heart?
Huh? Yeah, set hearts is
I think
int.
Is an integer. Yeah, no, change this to double.
Right.
Double or float, either one. And then hearts, it's because hearts. Okay, change hearts into double too. It doesn't matter that much. Or no, if they want. Okay, no. Back up. Just Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. If they want, yeah, just typecast it at the very end to an int. Now, yeah. Or no. Change it from a double to an int, and then just typecast it to an int at the end.
Wait, so okay, should I just change all this back to an int then?
Yeah, change all of it back to an int, and then the last here, yeah, before you do the set hearts, just typecast the entire thing to an int. I don't think you can do it here. You got to do it in the function path. So inside of, no, it won't help here. Inside of set hearts. So inside of the function parameter for set hearts, yeah, do it at the, yeah. This one, is it here? No, it's not here. Left, yeah, there. Do it here.
Yeah, I tried that before. That didn't do anything.
Then maybe add another set of parentheses all around. So
yeah.
start after int.
Okay.
Yeah, then add another parentheses, and then yeah, finish it, close it up. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Cool. Is everything else good, or?
Huh?
Is everything else good?
Everything else is, I think. Oh, you have to add the same part to 57, 58, 59. And everything else should be fine. And just change the C2s to C1s.
Okay, is this good? This code can remain.
I think so. Huh?
Okay. This code should just be the same, right?
Yeah.
Or do you need to factor in the armor if it's less than 100, or is it only if it's 100?
Only if it's 100. That's the example they gave us at least.
Yeah,
And
there's
even
only
here too,
100
like
or
it's
0. Yeah.
yeah, this 100 is fine. Okay, the next one's much harder. Need to make a sorting algorithm.
Sorting out.
An entire array list full of characters will be collected. That collection of characters will be sorted from strongest to weakest through the static functions and game mechanics. Sort, build it, sorted, battlefield characters. Is it too public?
All right. Where's the armor for this? Yeah.
Wait, Rizzo.
Okay, yeah.
Let's test it later. Let's start the next one. We have 13 minutes.
13 minutes?
13 minutes.
Sure. Okay. All right.
Okay, we need to make a compare to for the characters just based on hearts.
Okay.
And here you're gonna need to make another one. So I think in our notes, probably just go to, yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah, what were you saying?
Okay, I think in our notes, go to page 12. Go to page 12. It has a template for it, I think. I think we can just copy this, and then the sort algorithm's fine. All we have to do is make a compare to in our characters class.
Okay.
Then I think it's gonna if we just make the compare to for the other class, I think it's gonna use it, and we should be fine.
All right.
Yeah, you just gotta delete the okay.
Yeah.
Public static T extends comparable T. Yeah, I think that's fine. Or wait, one sec. T instead we're gonna use an array list. Pass in an array list.
Okay. Let me just fix up the.
And then we'll have to change the insides here too. Or actually, no. We have the access operator for the array list. That's fine.
Okay. Wait, what were you saying?
Pass in an array list instead of an array.
Okay.
And then type T, yeah. I think that's fine. And now, no, don't change list. Then you will have to change it inside. Just keep it A.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I think you gotta change it to size. But they told us to pass in an array list. And is there no access operator for the array list?
No access operator.
Like the square braces.
Yeah, I think for arrays you need to use get. So arrays. Yeah. Shit. Maybe that. Get.
No, yeah, the next one's +1. Yeah. Okay, now I think all we need is a compare to inside of character. Be a variable, huh?
I'm confused. What's that? Oh, can we not assign like that in array lists? Oh, shit.
Oh, no way. Maybe there's replace insert. Actually, no, I don't even think we need to. Do we need to make the? I don't even think we need to make our own sorting algorithm. Collections.sort should do it. As long as we have the compare to, I think yeah, as long as we have compare to, I think
Yeah,
sort
we just need
should do
compare
it.
to and collections of sort. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yeah. So just delete all of this and then no, you'll have to write the sort in character, right? Or the
yeah, I mean,
compare to in character.
compare to, yeah. So,
And here I think you can just call collections.sort. So do
yeah,
no,
so
keep the function. Let's move to do collections.sort, I think. That's what we did for the last lab.
yeah. Array list object. Collections.
What happened there?
List T format. What am I doing?
Compare state. Okay, I think we made a compare state last time. Let me wait, compare state.
Okay, I'm thinking let's just do it the way that we had it before. So let's keep the bubble sort. And just change it to like, so if you're doing an array list, all we need to do is like get the instance. Yeah, we just need to get the character instance and then be able to like set at the index. Okay, I think
Character instance.
okay, I think I'm right now.
We don't need the index. No, we don't need the character instance because we're only passing in characters. Okay, let's make the compare to first because we're gonna need the compare to regardless. I think if we can just make the compare to, we can just call it somehow in the driver. Okay, keep this for now. Let's go back to what's it called, character.
Okay, why don't you try implementing what you're doing and I'll try implementing my way?
Because I don't have the rest of the code. It's not gonna work. That's why. I
No,
don't have
just
the game mechanics file.
just like write it out. Just like make the skeleton.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll try it.
Yeah, just like it's fine.
We have like 6 minutes.
Yeah, we'll just do it quick.
We got 3 minutes.
Hmm. Okay, bucket change. Let's go with
I'm
the-
copying the comparative for you.
and-
2 minutes.
I don't think we're gonna finish this one. It's whatever.
Yeah, it's fine. But we gotta submit the last part. Just submit it. Make a submission.
Yeah.
Just kind of write it down. I think just like in the main file, maybe just call it collections.sort and then just call it a day.
Mhm.
But yeah, you should check how long you have because I have 1:30.
Yeah, let me check. I have 1:32.
Just submit. It's fine.
What should I submit for?
Just submit the same file. Just name it like when you like name the file, just submit like name it 4 and 5. I think.
Let me
Okay.
do this instead. So then save that. And then put that to number 4. What else is it for? Okay, 4. And then we have 4.
And then just submit question 4 for question 5. Oh, okay. Just quickly, 30 seconds. Save it. Bro, I wonder what happened to Jaya. I wonder where she just disappeared to.
Yeah. Whatever. Submit stuff here.
These classes are tough to finish by 2 person.
Have you talked to the professor at all about her?
Yeah, I emailed him. I said that like
Did
I
he say
emailed him
anything?
like last week, I guess. I told him that like one of our teammates hasn't been coming, and then like can you just check up on her just to make sure like if she's even all right? And he was like, yeah, like what's her name? And then I just told her, and then he hasn't responded afterwards.
Mm. Yeah.
And I'll just send another email this time.